Hello, in this video I will show you how to transfer files on Honorpad X8. So you have to start with opening your Files application, and here you can go to your folder that has some files in it. I will go to Camera folder, and now long press on the file that you want to move. And now here from this bottom menu, click on Move button. And now you can select where do you want to transfer this file. And as you can see, you can choose between your internal memory in your tablet or SD card or somewhere in your network. And I will choose my memory card and I will transfer this to DCIM folder. And now click this button to confirm operation. And as you can see, this photo is now on my memory card. So that's it for this video. If you like it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.